I'm so happy to see this recent U.S. Supreme Court decision of Ames versus Ohio Department of Youth Services, where the Supreme Court reaffirmed that reverse discrimination at workplace is every bit as illegal as quote-unquote ordinary discrimination under Title VII. This is an interesting case. In this case, Marlene Ames, a straight woman who has worked for Ohio Department of Youth Services in different roles since 2004, she applied for a management position internally in 2019, but she was passed for another candidate who happened to be a lesbian woman. Not only that, but the agency, the same employer, subsequently demoted Ames from her role as a program administrator and later hired a gay man to fill that role. So she sued the department, she sued her employer, alleging reverse discrimination. Both the lower court and the Court of Appeal dismissed her case and affirmed the dismissal, stating that if you are a member of majority, so to speak, if you're a straight woman or if you're a straight white woman and you're not traditionally considered to be a minority, you have to show quote-unquote special circumstances in order to make a viable discrimination case in court. Luckily, rationally, the Supreme Court disagreed with both courts and said that, first of all, nothing in Title VII distinguishes between different groups of people, different religions, different races, different sexual orientations. Everyone is equally protected. And as a result, Ms. Ames should not have been facing a higher burden of proof on motion to dismiss than anyone else, than someone gay or someone black or someone of a particular religion. She was treated incorrectly. Her case was analyzed incorrectly by the lower courts. So the U.S. Supreme Court reversed the decision and sent it back for further proceedings to lower courts. So hopefully Ms. Ames, if she proves her case, if she proves that in fact she was passed for promotion or she was demoted or both because she didn't fit the minority card the way that her employer wanted to, then she will get the restitution, she will get the damages, the compensation that she deserves.